Hi guys, we are at LG's booth at MWC 2017 and the phone we have with us is the LG Stylus 3. Now this smartphone was announced a couple of months ago and it is a mid-range device as the name suggests, Stylus 3. This phone comes with an inbuilt stylus, so it is meant to be a Samsung Galaxy Note alternative for mid-range users. So what's interesting is that LG has done a really good job of hiding the stylus on the smartphone, and in fact it did take us a little while to figure out where exactly it was hiding, and we eventually did realize that it was right here at the top right corner. So you pop it out of the top right corner there, and the stylus itself is quite light and easy to use. The moment you pop it out, you do get a couple of options on the screen, like a pop memo where you could just scribble something. You also get a screen capture option, so you can capture the screen and then again scribble some text onto it and share it on social media or instant messaging apps. And there are also a couple of other options here, a couple of other shortcuts, including shortcuts for memo and a camera. So that's what the stylus on the LG Stylus 3 does. So you can pop it back in quite easily here, and it's really nice the way LG has designed this phone because the stylus itself blends in very nicely with the frame. Apart from that though, the LG Stylus 3 is pretty average in terms of design. It is a slim phone, but it features a plastic back panel that looks quite cheap in fact, and it's also picking up smudges quite easily. The phone itself is quite big. It's a 5.7-inch phone with an HD display, not the best display resolution for a mid-range smartphone these days, but it should get the job done, and the screen is big enough for any kind of doodling or scribbling that you want to do. Above the screen you will find the front 8 megapixel camera, and at the back you have a 13 megapixel primary camera, and below that you have the dual LED flash as well as a fingerprint sensor. Now the port and button placement is slightly different on this device because the back panel itself is removable. So we can't remove this here because this is a tethered unit, but you can remove the back panel where you will find access to the SIM card slots and the SD card slots, and you will also find the 3200 milliamp battery, which is also removable, which is a rarity on a smartphone these days. So if you want a removable battery, that's a nice feature to have on this phone. In terms of the processor, this phone features a MediaTek MT6750 processor, and you get 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage to work with. In terms of the software, the phone runs Android 7.0 Nougat, and it does come with LG's custom UI on top. So that was your first look at the LG Stylus 3. LG hasn't announced the price and availability of this phone for India, but we will update you as soon as it does. If you enjoyed this video, do subscribe to our 91 Mobiles YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.